Hello guys, welcome to C tutorial part 11 powered by Make Programming Easy, made by Sanjay Kumar and supported by Mrityunjay Kumar. In this tutorial we will see the use of logical operators in C programming. In the previous videos we have seen the use of arithmetic operators, relational operators and many more videos. So apart from those operators, in this tutorial we will learn about the logical operators. And as I have discussed in the previous videos that how many types of logical operators that we use in our C programming. So basically three types of operators we use in our logical operators. First one is logical AND, second one is logical OR, and third one is logical NOT. So how can we use in our programming? Let us see. This is the simple program that I have given in my slide to represent how we can use logical operators significantly in our programming. So as include studio.h is nothing, it's a header file that I have mentioned in the previous slides. It's a precursive directory which contains the definition of printf. Means printf is the function which is defined under studio.h header file. Now it's a main function which is nothing but it's an entry point for the compiler and the main function of C programming. Int a is equal to 5, int b equal to 20, int c, this is nothing but the variable declaration and initialization. Now if a equal to 5, logical and b equal to 20 means easy trick means if there is logical AND operator in any code, it means all conditions should be true to execute this statement. Means here is the two conditions, that is a equal to 5 and b equal to 20. For printing this statement, these two conditions must be true. So a equal to 5, so alright, it is true. Now b equal to 20, so it is also right. So this statement is executing means if both conditions are true. So it is a trick for you that if logical AND operator, if you use in our coding, means all conditions should be true. Now for the second condition, if a equal to 5 and b equal to 12 means a equal to 5, so it is now validating the condition. B equal to 12 means nothing, b is equal to 20, b is equal to, so condition is not matched. But logical OR operator says that either one of all conditions should be true, then this statement is executed. So a equal to 5, alright, this is true. B is equal to 12, so if this condition does not matches with the condition, so it does not mind for the logical OR operator. Logical OR operator executed when either one of all conditions should be true. So in logical AND operator, all conditions should be true for executing the first statement. So these two conditions satisfied according to their operators. So easy trick for you that logical AND operator means all specified conditions should be true, and logical operator means either one of all specified conditions should be true for the executing at least one statement. Now I have given you I have made another reinitialization of variables, that is a equal to 0 and b equal to 10. Now if a equal to 0 and logical and b equal to 12 means if both conditions true, that is a equal to 0, alright, b equal to 12. So here I have made b equal to 10 but b equal to 12. So for getting the better result for logical AND, all conditions should be true, but here the condition is not matching with this result. So this statement does not print it in our statement. This statement will print in our statement, that is line 3, condition is not true. Now for this condition, a equal to 0 and b equal to 11, here is logical AND operator. It means a equal to 0, alright, this condition is true. B equal to 11, this condition does not matches with this result. So but I have used logical NOT operator, means if this condition is not true, means both statements are not true, then this statement will be printed. Means logical NOT means if the condition is not true, so this condition is not true, then this statement will be executed. So already this condition is not true, so line 4, condition is not true, will be executed. So I hope you understood this video session. In this video session I have made 4 different conditions, that is first, second, third and fourth. I have made 4 different conditions or created 4 different situations in front of you to understand the use of logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT operator in our coding. So I hope you understood this video session. If you have any query regarding this video session, then please mail us at this video link or Please like us on Facebook. Please tweet us on this account. Subscribe us on YouTube for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.